We all have negative thoughts. They creep in when we least expect them. They whisper doubts in our ears. They make us question our worth. But here's the truth. We don't have to listen to them. We have the power to change our thoughts. We can build a positive mindset. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. I've been there. I've felt the weight of negative thoughts. They used to drag me down like anchors. But I learned to break free. I learned to choose positivity. And now, I want to share that journey with you. Because you deserve to feel good. You deserve to see the beauty in life. You deserve to believe in yourself. So let's begin this journey. Let's learn to silence those negative thoughts. Because you have the power to change your mind and your life. The first step in overcoming negative thoughts is simple. Acknowledge them. It sounds easy, but it's often the hardest part. We tend to push away negative thoughts. We try to ignore them, but that only makes them stronger. Instead, we need to face them head on. We need to say, I see you, negative thought. Acknowledging your thoughts doesn't mean agreeing with them. It means recognizing they exist. It means accepting they're part of your current reality. But here's the key. Do it without judgment. Don't beat yourself up for having negative thoughts. We all have them. They're part of being human. The goal is to observe them, not to criticize yourself for having them. Try this exercise. When a negative thought comes up, pause. Take a deep breath. Say to yourself, I'm having the thought that. This creates distance. It helps you see the thought for what it is. Just a thought, and thoughts can be changed. Once you've acknowledged your negative thoughts, it's time to challenge them. This is where the real work begins. It's time to question those thoughts. Are they really true? Are they helpful? Or are they just old patterns that no longer serve you? Start by asking yourself some questions. What evidence do I have for this thought? What evidence do I have against it? Journaling is a powerful tool in this process. Write down your negative thoughts. Then, write down alternative, more positive thoughts. For example, if you think I always fail, challenge it. Write down times you've succeeded. This isn't about lying to yourself, it's about seeing the whole truth. Section 4. Practice gratitude. Find joy in the little things. Gratitude is a game changer when it comes to building a positive mindset. It's like a spotlight that illuminates the good in our lives. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our attention away from negative thoughts. We start to see the world differently. We start to feel differently. Start small. Each day, think of 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. Maybe it's your morning coffee, or a text from a friend, or the way the sun feels on your face. The key is to really feel the gratitude. Don't just list things. Really connect with the feeling of appreciation. Try keeping a gratitude journal. Every night before bed, write down 3 good things that happened that day. This practice trains your brain to look for the positive. Section 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Choose your tribe wisely. The people we surround ourselves with have a huge impact on our mindset. Their energy affects us. Their words influence us. Their attitudes rub off on us. That's why it's crucial to choose your tribe wisely. Surround yourself with positive people. Seek out those who lift you up, not drag you down. This doesn't mean you need to cut out everyone who ever has a negative thought. We all have bad days. But pay attention to the overall energy of the people in your life. Do they inspire you? Do they support your growth? Do they believe in you, even when you don't believe in yourself? These are the people you want in your inner circle. Remember, you have the right to protect your mental space. Section 6. Mindfulness and meditation. Train your brain for positivity. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for maintaining a positive mindset. They help us stay present. They help us observe our thoughts without getting caught up in them. They create space between us and our negative thoughts. This space allows us to choose how we respond, rather than reacting automatically. Start small. Even 5 minutes of mindfulness a day can make a difference. Find a quiet spot. Sit comfortably. Focus on your breath. When thoughts come up, acknowledge them. Then gently return your focus to your breath. This simple practice trains your brain to be more aware. It helps you recognize negative thoughts more quickly. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. There are many types to choose from. Guided meditations can be helpful when you're starting out. There are apps and videos that can lead you through the process. Experiment to find what works for you. The key is consistency.